I think the favourite part of the hackathon is the whole bringing together all the teams, different people from different areas. I think Friday night we didn't know what to expect. Are we going to get 100 people, 50 people, 20 people, where are they from, etc. And we've got, I think it's around 60 odd people from all different parts of life, different experiences. And it's been great interacting with everyone. So I think we're going to have some amazing solutions, and it's really good to see the diversity in the blockchain world.
Right, so my favorite moment, I don't think it's a moment, but it's the whole event itself, to actually see the people coming in, their passion, that stay here overnight, they give up their time, their weekend to actually come here, learn, grow, and work together, network, and be just part of it. Sleep here, eat here, be together, bond together, and that's really the whole idea, and that's why we love hackathons.
I think, Chris, I've got two favourite themes from the hackathon this weekend so far. Is that one is that actually there's a lot of different personality types here, and they're bringing a lot of quirkiness and individualism to the event that's making it quite fun and interesting. And then the second is actually similar to one of Layla's moments that I think she gave you in her podcast, but it's actually watching groups of strangers come together and form teams and friendships and sort of work together to solve a problem.
So my favourite moment of the whole blockchain hackathon has probably been the podcast interview I've just done. I thought that was really cool. Didn't expect it. Had limited preparation, but it was really fun. It's my first podcast interview, so I just really enjoyed it.
My favourite moment would be meeting students from my university and getting to build a relationship and networking with them.
My favourite moment was when we collected the pizzas and my car ended up smelling like pizzas.
Yeah, very happy to meet Patrick again, my old friend. And we bumped into a couple of weeks ago, and after 2 weeks we're again same place, and we're trying out our new idea and hope we can get through and have a real business.
My favorite thing this hackathon was realizing that the problem we decided to work on was a huge pain point for the land registry.
My favorite moment was working on our project till 6 in the morning.
The best things about this hackathon? Too many. First thing, you learn about Hyperledger. I saw an Oracle server first time in my whole life, and you meet all these amazing people.
So my favorite part of the event is clearly the burrito nights. That was 2 nights. There was like a whole stand of burritos everywhere. It was kind of paradise for me, and I loved it.
Hey, so I got a chance to meet a lot of exciting people here, and it was quite an awesome the last 2 days. Hopefully it'll be exciting tomorrow as well.